नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 8 सोशल साइंस व्हाट इज अराउंड अस चैप्टर 2 वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर है, हाउ मेनी स्पेयर डज द अर्थ हैव? द आंसर इज बी 4। सेकंड नंबर है, हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ डज द लिथोस्फेयर ऑक्यूपाई? तो डी 29%। थर्ड वन है, crust of the earth is not broken because? The answer is B. The balance between heat and pressure is maintained. Question number 4. How much surface area does the hydrosphere cover? तो A 71%. 5. How deep are the ocean trenches? तो B 10 to 11 kilometer. 6. How much of Earth's total water is in the ocean? तो D 97%. 7. Up to how many kilometers above the surface does the atmosphere extend it? तो A 1600 kilometer. 8 number, what is the proportion of nitrogen in the atmosphere? तो C 78%. 9 number, what is the proportion of oxygen in the atmosphere? तो A 21%. 10 number, the earth is protected from the excessive heat of the sun because? C. Ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet ray from the sun. 11 number, which atmospheric gas dilutes the intensity of oxygen? तो C. nitrogen. 12 number, which gas causes global warming when increase a volume? तो D. CO2. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, in the solar system, only Earth has favorable temperature, water and air to sustain life. Second number, the Earth was a huge ball of fire at the time of its origin. Third number, lithosphere is composed of rock and salt. Fourth number, lithosphere covers approximately 29% of the Earth's surface. 5 number, mountain, plateaus and plains have developed on lithosphere. 6 number, rocks which are the molten state in the interior of the earth are known as magma. 7 number, drinking water is a part of hydrosphere. 8 number, valuable chemicals and minerals along with fish and salt are available in big amount from the seas and ocean. 9 number, atmosphere contain about 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. 10 number, ozone gas absorbs ultraviolet rays of the sun. 11 number, oxygen and nitrogen gases sustain life on the earth. 12 number, nitrogen gas in the atmosphere reduce the intensity of oxygen. 13 number, because of dust particle in the atmosphere it does not suddenly turn dark after sunset and it does not suddenly turn bright after sunrise. 14 number, atmosphere is necessary for radio broadcast and television. 15 number, biosphere is divided into living and non-living. 16 number, the areas that have more of vehicles shows increased amount of CO2 gas in the air. Question number 3, right or wrong? First, lithosphere occupies about 71% of the surface of the earth. तो wrong statement. Second, when the balance between the heat and pressure is not maintained in the interior of the earth, the crust of the earth breaks and water stream erupts. The right statement. Third number, rain is the main sources of sweet water. The right statement. Fourth number, oceans are useful as waterways. The right statement. Fifth number, there are various gases in biosphere. The right statement. Sixth number, as we go higher from the surface of the earth, volume of the most gases is reduced. The right statement. 7 number, carbon dioxide is in abundance in the lower strata of the atmosphere. तो right statement. 8 number, solid, liquid and gaseous elements are included in atmosphere. तो right statement. 9 number, biosphere is colorless, tasteless and odorless. तो right statement. 10 number, we are able to hear sound due to the medium of biosphere. तो wrong statement. 11 number, dust particles reflect sun ray. तो right statement. 12 number, only the earth in the solar system has biosphere. तो right statement. 13 number, various type of living beings are included in biosphere. तो right statement. 14 number, the amount of CO2 decreased due to the cutting of trees. तो wrong statement. 15 number, oxygen reduce the intensity of nitrogen. तो wrong statement. तो आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोज़. ओके. Question number 4, match the pairs correctly. फर्स्ट है लिथोस्फेयर, तो लिथोस्फेयर में आंसर आएगा 4, यानी कि रेसिडेंस ऑफ ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इंक्लूडिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग। सेकंड नंबर है हाइड्रोस्फेयर, तो हाइड्रोस्फेयर का आंसर आएगा 5 नंबर स्पेयर ऑफ वाटर। थर्ड है एटमोस्फियर, तो आंसर आएगा 1 नंबर स्पेयर ऑफ वेरियस गैसेज। और फोर्थ नंबर है बायोस्फेयर, तो आंसर आएगा सेकंड नंबर बेसिस ऑफ लाइफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentence each. First, what is the characteristic of the earth as a member of the solar system? So among all the member of the solar system, only earth has got suitable temperature, air and water. Second number, which are the major spheres on the earth? So lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Third one, what is magma? So molten rocks in the interior of earth are known as magma. Fourth number, why is the crust of the earth not broken? So there are many gases present in the interior of the earth which rise up with pressure and heat, but the pressure of the rocks on the surface of earth is equally strong. Thus a balance is maintained between the two and the crust of the earth does not break. Question number 5, which are the ocean on earth? So there are 4 oceans on the earth. They are the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian and the Arctic. 6 number, which elements make up atmosphere? The atmosphere is made up of various gases, water vapor, dust particles, salt particles, smoke, microorganism, etc. 7 number, which gases make up atmosphere? The atmosphere is composed of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, ozone, etc. 8 number, how does ozone gas work? So ozone gas absorbs ultraviolet sun rays and save the biosphere on earth from their harmful effects. 9 number, where and when is the ozone gas found in greater proportion? So ozone gas is found in greater proportion in the morning in open grounds and in the air near the sea. 10 number, what is meant by condensation? The process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. Various forms of moisture like dew, fog, clouds and precipitation are seen due to condensation. 11 number, why are the radio and the television transmission possible? The sound is heard only in the presence of atmosphere. Radio and television transmission are possible only due to atmosphere. Question number 12, who are included in the living world or what are included in biosphere? So human beings, vegetation, animals and minute insects. 13 number, what is harmful for biosphere? So intense mining for minerals, underground nuclear testing, deep drilling to obtain mineral oil and tube wells, etc. Question number 6, answer the following question in short. First question है, what do you know about our earth? Write a short note. The earth is a member of the solar system. Among all the members of the solar system, only earth has got suitable temperature, air and water required to sustain life. Earth has a huge ball of fire which cool down with time. Various elements on earth were transformed into solids, liquid, gaseous or light form in the process. Question number 2, how did the 4 spheres come into existence on the earth? So the element on the surface of the earth that got transformed into solid means land make up the lithosphere. Element that got transformed into liquid from the hydrosphere. Those which transform into gases are called the atmosphere, and the living world which develop is known as the biosphere. 3 number, explain the importance of lithosphere. Write 5 points. So the solid part on which we live is known as the lithosphere. Litho means rocks and sphere means layer. This layer occupies about 29% of surface of the earth and is almost 64 km to 100 km thick. Landform like mountain, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. are seen on lithosphere. Lithosphere is useful in many ways. It is the home of mankind. It gives space for constructing homes, obtaining fresh water and land from cultivation, as well as forest, and useful for minerals for industries. Question number 4, state the use of hydrosphere. Write 5 points. So the liquid component of earth is called hydrosphere. It includes oceans, seas, bays, straits, lakes, ponds, rivers, etc. The hydrosphere covers about 71% of earth's surface. Hydrosphere provide us with fresh water. Most of the rainwater comes from hydrosphere. Valuable chemicals and minerals are obtained from seas and ocean. A variety of aquatic life is sustained by the oceans and seas. Salt is produced from seawater. Question number 5. State the uses of atmosphere. Write 5 sentences. The sphere of air that wrap the earth from all sides is called atmosphere. It extended up to about 1600 km from the surface of the earth, and it cannot be seen clearly with the naked eyes. Oxygen in the atmosphere is essential to all living organisms on the earth. Nitrogen is necessary for the growth of vegetation. Carbon dioxide is the food for green vegetation. Nitrogen reduces the intensity of oxygen. ओजोन गैस एब्सॉर्ब द अल्ट्रावायलेट सन रेज. ओके, इसी के साथ हमारा चैप्टर 2 का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन यहाँ पर ख़त्म हुआ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे 3rd चैप्टर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल.